Hi everyone! This is the continuation of our topic in my first two videos, solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So again, we are going to use the square root property, wherein if x squared is equal to k, then x is equal to positive or negative square root of k. Let us apply the square root property in solving each quadratic equation. Let us start with 6x squared minus 24 equals to 0. So first step is you have to add 24 on both sides of the equation. So we have 6x squared minus 24 plus 24 equals to 0 plus 24. Then you cancel negative 24 and then positive 24. So we have here 6x squared equals to 24. Now notice that there is a numerical coefficient here in the variable x. So what are you going to do is you have to divide both sides by 6. Then we have 24 divided by 6. Then cancel 6. So we have x squared is equal to 4. Now 24 divided by 6, that is 4. After that, you're going to apply the square root property or get the square root of both sides. So we have x squared of x squared is x equals to square root of 4, that is positive or negative 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. Now, first root is x of 1 is positive 2. And then x of 2 is negative 2. Then let us check. So to check, if x is equal to positive 2 using the original equation, so we have 6x squared minus 24 equals to 0. Okay. Then we have 6 times x is 2. You substitute 2 squared minus 24 equals to 0. Then, you have to simplify first the number inside the parentheses. So, we have 6 times 2 squared. So, that is 4. Then, minus 24 equals to 0. So, 6 times 4, that is 24. Minus 24 equals to 0. Then, we have 24 minus 24, that is 0. Equals to 0. Now, how about if x of 2 or if x is equal to negative 2? Then again, using the original equation, we have 6x squared minus 24 equals to 0. We have 6 times negative 2 squared because the value of x here is negative 2. Then you substitute. Then minus 24 equals to 0. Then, you just copy 6. Negative 2 squared or negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Then, minus 24 equals to 0. Then, 6 times 4, that is 24. Minus 24 equals to 0. 24 minus 24, we have 0 equals to 0. Check. This is also check. Now, both values of x satisfy the given equation. Therefore, the solutions are positive 2 and negative 2. That's it. Okay, number 2, we have x squared minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. So, you copy x squared negative 31 minus 18, that is negative 49 equals to 0. Why is it that it becomes negative 49? So, if we're going to go back to the basic, we have negative 31 minus positive 18. Now, what are you going to do is you have to copy the minuend, negative 31. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. That's the rule. From positive to negative. 18. Then, proceed to addition. So, we have 9. 3 plus 1, we have 4. Then, copy the common sign, that's negative 49. Then, after that, going back to the equation, add 49 on both sides of the equation. So, we have x squared minus 49 plus 49 equals to 0 plus 49. Then, you cancel again, negative 49 and then 49. So, we have x squared equals to 49. After that, use the square root property. We have square root of x squared. So, that is x equals to square root of 49. That is positive or negative 7. So, your x of 1 is positive 7. And then x of 2, or the second value of x, or the second solution is negative 7. That's it. Let us check. To check if x is equal to positive 18. So we have x squared minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. You substitute the value of x, which is 7. So we have 7 squared minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. 7 squared, or 7 times 7, that is 49. Then minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. 49 minus 31, that is 18. Minus 18 equals to 0. So we have 18 minus 18, we have 0 equals to 0. Check. Next, for the second value of x, if x is equal to negative 7, again, using the original equation, x squared minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. So we have negative 7 squared minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. Negative 7 squared, negative 7 times negative 7, that is 49. Minus 31 minus 18 equals to 0. So same, 49 minus 31, that is 18. Minus 18 equals to 0. So 18 minus 18, that is 0, equals to 0. Check again. Since that both values of x satisfy the given equation, therefore, we can say that the solutions are positive 7 and negative 7. Number 3, we have x minus 3 squared equals to 1. So here you will just get the square root of both sides. So x minus 3 squared equals to 1. Square root of x minus 3 squared, that is x minus 3. Then square root of 1, that is positive or negative 1. Now, why is it that it becomes x minus 3 only? If we're going to put aside square root of x minus 3 squared, we're going to write that into exponential form. Exponential form. So, meaning from the word exponent, so that is, we have x minus 3 raised to the exponent 2 over the index 2 here. So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. That's why the answer is only x minus 3. Then after that, you have to isolate the variable x. So, what are you going to do is you have to add 3 on both sides of the equation. Sometimes people are just transposing it from negative 3 to positive 3. If they transpose it to the left, to the right side, so from negative, it becomes positive 3. So here, you just cancel negative 3 and then positive 3. Then we have x is equal to positive or negative 1 plus 3. That's the value of x. To get the values of x, first, second, x of 1, and then x of 2, so we have positive, you will just get the first sign of 1, which is positive. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. So that's the first value of x. Then for the second value of x, so just get the second sign of negative 1, of 1 rather. So we have negative 1 plus 3. So that is positive 2. Then after that, Then after that, let us check. So to check if x is equal to 4. So we have x minus 3 squared equals to 1. So again, we're going to make use of the original equation. Value of x is 4. So 4 minus 3 squared equals to 1. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. Square it, that is 1. Then equals. Check. Then if x is equal to 2. So again, using the original equation, we have x minus 3 squared is equal to 1. Then substitute, we have 2 minus 3. Then squared equals to 1. 2 minus 3, that is negative 1 squared equals to 1. Negative 1 squared, that is positive 1 equals to 1. So check. Both values of x satisfy the given equation. Therefore, the solutions are 4 and 2. Positive 4 and 2. Number 4, let's say we have 3 times 2x plus 5 squared equals to 27. So, what are you going to do is, since that we have here 3, you're going to divide both sides by 3. So, divide it by 3, and then this one, 27 divided by 3. You cancel 3, then copy 2x plus 5 squared equals to 27 divided by 3, that is 9. Then, get the square root of both sides. So, we have 2x plus 5 equals to square root of 9, that is positive or negative 3. Then, after that, you're going to isolate the term with the variable x. You're going to subtract 5. So, we have 2x is equal to positive or negative 3 minus 5. Okay? Then, or you just transpose 5 to the right side. When you transpose a number, you have to see to it that you will change the sign of that number. Let's say 5. We have here positive 5. If you transpose it to the right side, so from positive, make it negative. Then after that, divide each term by 2, since that we want to get the value of x only. So we have positive or negative 3 minus 5 divided by 2. Then we have to cancel 2. Then x is equal to positive or negative 3 minus 5 over 2. So that's the value of x. To get x of 1, you have to take the 3 with positive sign. So we have positive 3 minus 5 over 2. So that is 3 minus 5, that is negative 2. Over 2, that is negative 1. That's the first value of x. To find the second value of x, take 3 with negative sign. So we have negative 3 minus 5 over 2. So we have negative 8. Negative 3 minus 5, that is negative 8 over 2. So negative 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4. To check if the values of x are correct, so we're going to check. If x is equal to negative 1, using the original equation, we have 3 times 2x plus 5 squared equals to 27. Substitute, we have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 times value of x is negative 1 plus 5. We're going to make use here bracket raised to the second power equals to 27. Now we use close bracket here. We're going to remove this and make it as open bracket. So we have to simplify first the number inside the parentheses. So we have 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2, plus 5, square it, then times 3 equals to 27. So negative 2 plus 5, that is 3 squared. Then you copy 3, then equals to 27. 3 squared, that is 9, times 3, then equals to 27. Are they equal? Let's see. 3 times 9, that is 27, equals to 27. Check. Another one, another value of x is negative 4, right? Okay, so negative 4. Okay, then again, using the original equation, we have 3 times 2x plus 5 squared equals to 27. You copy 3 times 2 times negative 4 plus 5 squared equals to 27. So we have 3 times 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8 plus 5 squared, then equals to 27. Negative 8 plus 5, that is negative 3 squared, then copy 3, then equals to 27. Negative 3 squared, that is 9. Because negative 3 times negative 3, we have 9 times 3 equals to 27. So 3 times 9, that is 27, equals to 27. Check. Also, now notice, as you can see, both values of x satisfy the given equation. Therefore, the solutions are negative 1 and negative 4. Okay, so that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button for more math tutorial videos. Thank you and have a good day.